Everyone, welcome to my channel Microbiology. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are going to give a look upon morphology of bacterial cell. Morphology of bacterial cell. Morphology means systematic study of external characters of bacteria. It includes size of bacteria, shape of bacteria and arrangement of bacteria. So let's start with the size of bacteria. Size of bacteria is less than 3 mm. Second one, bacteria are visible under compound microscope. That is, they are microscopic in nature. Third, bacteria may be spherical, cylindrical or spiral in shape. Generally, bacteria occur in three shapes, that is cocci form, rod form and spiral form. The fourth one is size of bacteria is measured by using a calibrated ocular compound microscope. The method of measuring size of bacteria is called as micrometry, or we can also measure the size of bacteria by using electron microscopic micrometry technique. Further, units of measurement used in bacteriology are micron or micrometer, next nanometer or millimicron and Armstrong unit. Further, the size of spherical bacteria ranges from 0.5 to 3 micrometer. The spherical bacteria, the diameter of the spherical bacteria is measured. Next, the size of cylindrical bacteria ranges from 0.15 micrometer to 2 micrometer in width and 0.5 micrometer to 20 micrometer in length. The length and width of cylindrical bacteria is measured. Next, in case of spiral shaped bacteria, length is measured, but due to the spiral form, it is not accurate. Shape of bacteria. Now, the shape of bacterial cell depends on the rigidity of a cell wall. Generally, there are three types of bacteria. First one is spherical or cocci shape. The shape of cell appears spherical or ball shape. Then it is called as cocci bacteria. Second one is cylindrical or rod shape. If the cells are rod or cylindrical in shape, then it is called as bacilli. The third one is spiral shape. A bacteria which is twisted 2 or more times along the axis is called as spiral form of. In the following diagrammatic representation, you will get some idea about the shapes of bacteria. The first one is spherical shaped bacteria, second is rod shaped bacteria and third is spiral shaped bacteria. Arrangement of bacteria. Variety of arrangements of cells is observed in cocci and rod shape. The first one is arrangement of cocci cell. Single. If a single cocci cell appear, then it is simply called as cocci. Diplococci. When two cells are attached to each other, even after dividing them in one plane, then it is called as diplococci. The third one is streptococci. If cocci cells are arranged in long chain and remain attached to each other even after dividing them in one plane, then it is called as streptococcus. And the last is staphylococcus. If the cocci cells are arranged in the form of clusters and even after dividing them in three planes, then these cocci are called as staphylococcus. You can see in this diagrammatic representation cocci, diplococci, streptococci and staphylococci cells. The arrangement of cocci cell bacteria. Now we will look upon arrangement of rod shaped bacteria. Bacillus cells show very less variety in arrangement of cells, and these cells can be divided only in one plane. So, single cell. If only one cell exists, it is called as bacilli. Diplococci, if two bacillus cells are attached to each other, then it is called as diplobacilli. Next is streptobacilli. If the bacilli cells are arranged in the form of long chain, then it is called as streptobacilli. In this diagrammatic representation, you can see bacilli, diplobacilli and streptobacilli. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.